We take practice set 1.2 of the chapter linear equations in two variables. The next question, question number 5 and 6, which is solved by using graphical method. Now the first question is that 3x minus 4y is equals to minus 7 and 5x minus 2y is equals to 0. Now we take its solution. First equation is 3x minus 4y is equals to minus 7. Now look here student, we have to transpose this minus 7 to this side and minus 4y to this side. We get that the equation is 3x plus 7 is equals to 4y. Then again I have to convert the coefficient as denominator of it. Therefore 3x plus 7 upon 4 is equals to y. Mean that when we substitute the value of x and simplify by 4, we get the value of y. For this, taking any three value as you like and find out the value of y. Here is x, y, here is order, here is x and y. Take such a value of x, student. We can find out its product, then adding it and then simplify by using 4. We get a complete number. Because when we have to take decimal numbers here, then this is some critical problem to you to draw the graph. So I have to take such numbers, we can simplify by using this 4 and we get the complete number here. So first I will take the value of x is 3. 3 3s are 9 plus 7, 15, 16, 16 upon 4 is 4. Then we take here minus 1, minus 3, okay. Then we take here minus 5. Now I have to substitute this value and find out the value of y. You can better understand them. First put x is equals to 3. x की किंमत आपण आता 3 टाकणार. In this equation mean that y is equals to 3 into 3 plus 7 upon 4. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 7 is 16 upon 4. Mean that the value of y is equals to how much? 4. Mean that first we get the complete number 3 and 4. We can draw easily on the graph paper. So I have to take the number such way. Now second one is put x is equals to minus 1. Therefore y is equals to substitute here 3 into minus 1 plus 7 upon 4. 3 minus 1 is minus 3 plus 7. 7 मधून minus 3 जाते म्हणजे राहिले 4 upon 4. Mean that y is equals to how much? 1. Can you understand this? Minus 3 plus 7 becomes 4 upon 4 is equals to 1. Mean that order pair is minus 1 and 1. Then next one is put x is equals to minus 5, same as earlier. 3 into minus 5 plus 7 upon 4. 3 5s are minus 15. Minus 15 plus 7 becomes minus 8 upon 4. Mean that the value of y is equals to minus. Give the sign of the bigger number here. Minus 8 upon 4 is equals to minus 2. Mean that we get minus 5 and minus 2. Then we take the next equation. Equation second is 5x minus 2y is equals to 0. Again we convert it in the form of the y. So that we write here 5x is equals to 2y. That is y is equals to 5x upon 2. We take this equation and draw the graph here by taking any three values of the x. We find the value of y and find out the order pair. Here is x, y, here is x, y. Now student, take such value we can simplify by using this 2. Now suppose that first we take the 2. 5 to the 10, we can simplify by 2. Then next one is minus 2 and then we take 0. Now I have to take this value and find out the value here of y. So first put x is equals to, therefore y is equals to 5 into 2 upon 2 means 10 upon 2, therefore y is equals to how much? 5. So I have to write here 5. The first order pair is 2 and 5. Then second one is put x is equals to minus 2. Therefore y is equals to 5 into minus 2 upon 2 means that y is equals to minus 10 upon 2 is equals to how much? Minus 5. Means that minus 2 and minus 5 is the order pair. And third one is put the value of x is how much? 0. When we substitute the value of x here, means that 5 into 0 upon 2. Student, any number multiply it with 0 upon 2 and the answer becomes how much? 0. Means that order is 0 and 0. Now student, this is the table for the equation 3x minus 4y is equals to minus 7, and this is the table for the equation 5x minus 2y is equals to 0. Okay, then we have to draw here graph. This is the horizontal line named as x-axis. Here is x dash also take here. Then this is the vertical line named as y-axis, y dash. This is the origin having coordinate 0 and 0. Now here always write scale on both axes. Both axes 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. This is the scale. By using the scale, I have to write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here is negative number minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. To this above, there is positive number. To the below, there is negative numbers. Student, all of you know that in which quadrant the signs are there. Now in the first quadrant, positive sign. Here is in second, negative positive sign. In third, negative signs, and here in fourth, positive negative signs of the order pair. Now when we plot the line of the first equation, the order pair is 3 and 4, both having positive, so lies in first quadrant. So 3 and 4, I have taken here 3 point, and this is the 4. 3 and 4. Okay, then the second point is minus 1 and 1 lies in which quadrant? Minus 1 and 1 is in second quadrant, minus 1 and 1. And the next one is minus 5 and minus 2, means that lies in third quadrant, minus 5 first and minus 2. Minus 5 and this is the minus 2. You have to write the coordinates also, minus 5 and minus 2. Now, then join by using the scale. स्केल में ज्वाइन करना रहता है, मी डायरेक्टली ज्वाइन कर दो, तुम्हें स्केल में ज्वाइन करा. Now I have take their equation on the line 3x minus 4y is equals to minus 7. Right? Always the equation of that required lines. Now then second one is 5x minus 2y is equals to 0. 2 and 5 lies in first quadrant, 2 and 5. These 2 and 5. 2, 5. Then second one is minus 2 and minus 5. Lies in third quadrant, minus 2 and this is minus 5. Okay, the third coordinate is 0, 0, means that it's origin. 0, 0. Now student, we draw this by using the scale at that time. Okay, we write here equation of this is 5x minus 2y is equals to 0. Now student, when you look here, these two lines are intersecting one point, and the point of intersection is here on x-axis is 1 and nearly equal to 2.5. So here I have to write 1 and 2.5 is the point of intersection. Now I have to write the answer here, but for this example I have to take the answer here, answer. Write down this below this graph. Now the solution of given simultaneous equation is the value of x is 1 and the value of y is 2.5. Means student, this value x is 1 and y is equal to 2.5 is satisfying both these equations. This is the point of intersection of the lines on the graph paper. Okay, now we take the next question. Okay, then we take the last question of the practice set 1.2. This is same as earlier question. Question number 6. 2x minus 3y is equals to 4 and 3y minus x is equals to 4. Now student, solution of this equation. First one is 2x minus 3y is equals to 4. I have to transpose this minus 3y to this side and 4 to this side. We get that 2x minus 4 is equals to plus 3y. Can you understand? This is minus, this converted as plus. Again this 3 goes to denominator, so we take here 2x minus 4 upon 3 is equals to how much? 1. This is the equation. Now then we take any three values of the x. From these we can find out the value of another variable, in that y, taking the pairs of these by taking any three values of the x. Now first take such a value such that when we take its product and subtract by 4, we can divide completely by these 3. Mean that our answer is a complete number. So first I have take here, suppose we take here 2. 2 to the 4, 0. Then second one is suppose minus 1. Then third one is suppose 5. Okay. Then I have to write here, put x is equals to, therefore y is equals to. This is equation 2 into 2 minus 4 upon how much? 3. 2 to the 4, 4 minus 4, means that 4 minus 4 upon 3 is equals to 0 upon 3, 0 upon any number, the answer is 0. So that our first pair is 2 and 0. Then we have to find out second one is, put x is equals to minus 1, at that time y is equals to 2 into, this one is the minus 1 minus 4 upon how much? 3. Then 2 ones are minus 2 minus 4 becomes minus 6 upon these 3. This value becomes minus 2. This is minus 2. So that order pair is minus 1 and minus 1. Then take the third one is, put x is equals to how much? 5. Then substitute this value into this equation. Then y is equals to 2 into 5 minus 4 upon how much? 3. 2 5 is 10. 10 minus 4 becomes 6 upon 3. Therefore the y is equals to plus 2. Means that the coordinates are 5 and 2. This is our table of the first equation. Then we draw the table for the second equation. Second equation is 3y minus x is equals to 4. Now student, I have to take here this x to this side and these 3 again goes to denominator. So that 3y is equals to 4 plus x, or you also write x plus 4. Then these 3 goes to denominator, so I will write here y is equals to this, right here x plus 4 upon these 3 goes to denominator. Then we take any 3 values of the x. We have to find out the value of y by putting this value into this equation. Take any 3 value, 3 or 4 values or more values also you can take here. But just take 3 values is sufficient here. Now suppose we have to substitute here minus 4. Then second one is 5 plus 4, 9. Means that 5. And if we take here minus 1 as the third one, then we can completely divide by using this 3. So put value of x is minus 4, we get that y is equals to this equation minus 4 plus 4 upon how much? 3. Means that y is equals to 0 upon 3, and 0 upon 3 is 0. So that first pair is minus 4 and 0. Signs are most important. Second one is put x is equals to 5, therefore y is equals to, substitute again here 5 plus 4 upon 3, means that 9 upon 3, 9 upon 3 becomes 3. So this is 3, means that 5 and 3. This is the order here. Then third one is put x is equals to minus 1, therefore y is equals to, here is minus 1 plus 4 upon how much? 3. Therefore y is equals to, subtraction becomes 3 upon 3 is equals to how much? 1. Means that here this value is 1 and order pair is minus 1 and 1. This is the table for first and this is the table for the second equation. Then we draw the graph of these 2 equations. Now suppose that this is our x-axis, this is, take here x dash. Suppose here this is y-axis, here is y dash, origin is 0, 0. Now here is always right scale on both axes. 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit. Student, always the scale here. Then here is the positive number to this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, etc. Student, then we plot the point here. Now here, first one is 2 and 0, 2 and 0, means that lies on x-axis. So first point is 2 and 0 lies here, 2, 0. Then second one is minus 1 and minus 2, both having minus sign, so lies in third quadrant, minus 1 and minus 2 here, right here minus 1, minus 2 also. Then third one is 5 and 2, lies in which quadrant? First quadrant, 5, and this is suppose that 2, 5 and 2. Okay. Now then draw the line by using the scale. Straight line draw the. Now the equation of the line is 2x minus 3y is equals to 4. This is the equation of the first line. Now then we plot the point of the second equation, minus 4 and 0. Minus 4 and 0 means that lies on the negative x axis. mean that here minus 4 and 0. Right, its order pair also. Then 5 and 3 lies in which quadrant? First, because both having positive sign, mean that this is the 5 and this is the 3. Here I have write 5 and 3. Student, याचे पण point write करायचे राहिले. 5 and किती होते ते? 2. Then third coordinate is minus 1 and 1 lies in which? Minus 1 and 1 lies in second quadrant. Minus 1 and 1, minus 1 and 1. Then student, take the scale and join this. Accurately joining, we get here, suppose that this is our line 3y minus x is equals to 4. This is second. Student, this is the intersection point here. I have to write next numbers also, 8 and 9 here. Now when we look here, this is the intersection point. Suppose here the coordinates are 8 and 4, so that the intersection of these two lines is 8 and 4, mean that x coordinate is 8 and y coordinate is 4. Now student, if these two coordinates, when we substitute this in both equation, then whose LHS and RHS is equal, mean that they can solutions of the given equations. So I will write the answer in full sentence. Here I will write the answer of the question number 6. The solution of given simultaneous equation is x is equals to 8 and y is equals to 4. Student, can you understand these two questions? Now student, these are the very important question. One question can be asked in your examination for 4 marks. Now student, जर तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ जर आवडले असतील तर नक्कीच सबस्क्राइब करायला विसरू नका. थँक यू व्हेरी मच.